All right, y'all, this portion of the video is brought to you by Be Kind. You guys have seen it on my Instagram, and you also seen it on my Snap and Facebook. They are 100% recyclable. They have a Facebook, their Instagram, and their actual online shop. I will have all of their link listed in the description box below. I love how all of the items that they sent came individually wrapped in a unique box that again is 100% recyclable. They have these cute little sayings: let it be, you are my sunshine, honey, and smile. These are so cute. I'm going to show you guys all the items that I have. If you decide to order from either of their sites, they will send you a handcrafted note, and it said we would like to reach out and thank you for your order from the Be Kind shop. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving the bees and helping develop colony safety. We hope that our products will not only put a smile on your face, but also remind you about the good causes that you are now a part of. If you need to contact them, here's all the information, and you can share their love by going on Instagram or Facebook, and you will submit your photo and you will receive a $20 gift card. They have the SKU code, and you can just scan it and it'll say take you directly to their site. So now we're gonna go get into these cute little details, or these cute little gifts that I received. And I did pick my gifts out. This was one of the bundles.
Sometimes we just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.
I love the little sunflowers on here, and then they have the little sunflowers made on each one of the little handcrafted jewelry. So if you guys are interested, please go check their site out. Once again, this is the SKU code. I will have a discount code for you guys if you are also interested in saving some money, because who do not want to save some money nowadays? Y'all can purchase items for yourself. You can purchase items for your family members, your niece, nephew, your kids, grandkids. And also you can just treat yourself. They have a lot of items. They do have different selections that you can choose from. And it does not have to be the yellow gold. You can get the sterling silver if you are into that. Then they have the two-tone with the gold and the sterling silver. So just know any item that you get from them, the proceeds of it will go to saving bees. So I thank Be Kind for reaching out to me. I love my gifts. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Make sure y'all check out all of their websites. I will leave them in the description box below. And this how the packaging came, you guys. So even their mailers come out 100% recyclable. So thank you guys again, and we will get y'all back into the video.
Hey y'all, what's up everybody? How y'all doing this morning? Happy Monday. And yes, this video is a continuation from yesterday, because my yesterday was so peaceful and quiet. And when I got back in from the store and I finished cleaning, I literally sat down and watched football, and then we just enjoyed family time. So I didn't record anything else. My phone was down and I was just enjoying my family, as I should. This morning it's 9:30 or 9:40, and Jordan had went to the store to get some potatoes. I hope y'all can hear me. Mama doing some laundry, her laundry. So I had he went to the store, got some potatoes, because I was craving me some breakfast potatoes and some sausage this morning. So that's what I'm fixing. I just popped them in the microwave. I gotta put them in there a little bit longer, just to kind of pre-cook them and get them soft. And then I'm gonna finish them up in my cast iron with a little onions and cheese, and then fix me some breakfast links. And I may do some biscuits. I'm not sure. I want some biscuits, so I may do some. So yeah, so that's it. That's kind of my breakfast.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like
So here is my breakfast casserole, my potatoes, sausage, peppers, onions. And I'm about to eat. I'm so hungry. I tell you, I got some tea and then my biscuits. So yeah, I'm about to eat. Eat. Enjoy it. See. I love potatoes and cheese. Look at that. Well, anyway, this is mine. I'm about to eat this and enjoy, and I'll have some for leftovers. So thank y'all for watching. You know I love you guys, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all be blessed. Bye, guys.